Hello everyone, welcome to our English listening practice session. Today, we will learn about the life of Adolf Hitler, one of history's most controversial figures. This story is designed to help you improve your English skills while learning about world history. Remember, listening to simple stories is a great way to expand your vocabulary and understand English better. Let's begin with Adolf Hitler's early life and journey. Adolf Hitler was born on April 20, 1889, in Braunau am Inn, Austria. He was the fourth child of Alois Hitler and Clara Hitler. His father was a customs officer, and his mother was a kind and caring woman. Young Adolf had a passion for art and dreamed of becoming a famous artist one day. As a teenager, he applied to the Academy of Fine Arts in Vienna, but was rejected twice. This rejection was a major turning point in his life and led him to abandon his artistic dreams. In 1913, Hitler moved to Munich, Germany, hoping to find new opportunities. When World War I started in 1914, he joined the German army as a soldier. He served as a messenger on the front lines and showed great bravery in dangerous situations. For his courage, he received the Iron Cross, a prestigious military award. However, the end of World War I in 1918 left him feeling angry and lost. Hitler believed that Germany's defeat was due to betrayal by politicians and certain groups. In 1919, he joined the German Workers' Party, a small political group. His strong speaking skills quickly made him a leader in the party. Under his leadership, the group was renamed the National Socialist German Workers' Party, or the Nazi Party. Hitler created the party's famous symbol, the swastika, and began spreading his ideas to the public. In 1923, Hitler tried to take over the government in an event known as the Beer Hall Putsch. The attempt failed, and Hitler was arrested and sent to prison. While in prison, he wrote a book called Mein Kampf, which means My Struggle in English. In the book, he described his beliefs and his vision for Germany's future. After his release from prison, Hitler worked hard to rebuild the Nazi Party and gain more followers. By 1933, Hitler became the Chancellor of Germany, the country's most powerful position. He used his power to pass laws that targeted Jews and other minority groups. These laws took away their rights and created a very difficult life for them. In 1939, Hitler led Germany into World War II by invading Poland. His goal was to expand Germany's territory and create a powerful empire. During the war, Hitler's policies led to the Holocaust, a tragic event in history. Millions of Jews and other groups were sent to concentration camps and killed. Hitler also led Germany's military forces in battles against the Allies. By 1944, the war began to turn against Germany as the Allies gained strength. In 1945, Berlin, the capital of Germany, was surrounded by Allied forces. On April 30, 1945, Adolf Hitler and his wife, Eva Braun, died by suicide in a bunker. Their deaths marked the end of Nazi rule in Germany and the collapse of Hitler's plans. Adolf Hitler remains a significant figure in history, remembered for his role in World War II. His actions caused immense suffering, but also taught the world important lessons about the dangers of hatred and dictatorship. Thank you for listening to this story about Adolf Hitler's life. We hope it helped you improve your English skills while learning about history. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep listening, reading, and learning every day. If you enjoyed this story, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more simple English stories. Your support motivates us to create more content to help you on your English learning journey. Good luck with your studies, and see you in the next lesson.